Module IC Replacement Tutorial. When you encounter abnormal behavior in an IC, it's time for replacement. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Tools needed: soldering iron solder wire tweezers. Removing the IC. Apply extra soldering on both sides of the IC. Use the soldering iron to heat both sides rapidly until the IC becomes loose enough to be removed with tweezers. Use the soldering iron to remove any remaining solder residue. This step facilitates easier replacement of the IC. Installing the new IC. Note the orientation of the IC. There is usually a dot on the IC surface indicating the orientation, corresponding to the module. When replacing the IC, start by fixing one corner and then proceed to heat the other positions. Once all positions are fixed, apply solder. This ensures a stable connection. Use the soldering iron to remove excess solder. Sometimes, the connections of the replaced IC may merge. In this case, soldering flux can be used. Apply flux on both sides of the IC. Heat with the soldering iron and remove excess soldering with the soldering iron. With these steps, the replacement process should be completed.